Hello my dear students, welcome back to Fluid Mechanics lecture series. I am your Sumammiss. My channel name is also Sumammiss. You can watch all my videos on my channel. If you found useful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So far, I have published more than 30 videos regarding fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics including pipe flow. Today, I am introducing open channel hydrolysis. Open channels are a common method to transport liquid from one place to another place. Open channels are classified into natural channels and artificial channels. Rivers, streams, etc. are natural channels. So you can see that for natural channels, the cross-section of the channel and the slope are varying from section to section, and roughness of the channel that is also varies in wide range. Artificial channels are man-made channels. For artificial channels, we are able to maintain a constant shape and slope throughout the length of the channel. And if we are providing lining to the channel bed, we are able to maintain a constant roughness. So open channels may be used to transport drinking water, irrigation water, and wastewater and floodwater. The flow in the open channel is characterized by its free surface. So the free surface is the surface of contact between this flowing liquid and overlying gaseous fluid. So the interface being subjected to constant pressure throughout this length and breadth. In most of the engineering problems of open channel flow, the gaseous fluid happens to be air at local atmospheric pressure. So that means in open channel, the pressure at the free surface is atmospheric pressure. So we have learned previously that in pipes, the flow is under pressure and the flow is taking place in the direction of decreasing pressure. That means the flow is taking place from high pressure to low pressure, or it is due to the pressure difference. But in open channel, every section is subjected to same pressure. Then in open channel, the flow is driven naturally by gravity. So whenever the flow is taking place, there is a resisting force which is opposing the flow. So the flow rate in the open channel is established by the dynamic balance between gravity force and this frictional force. Now a question, why do we want to study open channel hydrolysis? Look at this figure. The figure represents the flooded road and street. Why do we have the situation of flooding of streets even in a one-day intense rainfall? So it may be due to the improper design and management of open channels and drains. Many a times the villain will be the inadequate slope and inadequate cross-section of drains. Most of the times the slope provided to match the ground slope shall be excess in certain places and inadequate in some other places. This figure shows river flooding. What is the cause of river flooding? So it may be due to the lack of flood assessment and assessment of channel width or floodplain. By assessing flood, one can predict the most likelihood of overtopping any channel or bridge. Irrigation system are another application which requires the design of open channel. Improper design of the canal system shall fail the very purpose of irrigation system, like water not reaching the far end or the end user. Hence, the knowledge of open channel is very much essential for the construction of hydraulic structures which affect the day-to-day life of common man. Examples are spillways, culverts, weirs, dams, bridges, etc. What is a spillway? Spillway is the structure constructed either part of the dam or are found just beside one. When the water reaches the maximum reservoir level, the spillways are used to expel the excess water safely and in a controlled way. So downstream portion of the spillway is designed in such a way that it can dissipate the entire energy of this flowing water, otherwise the entire downstream structure get destroyed. Waterway computation is very crucial in the design of bridges as inadequate provision of waterway may lead to flooding of the bridges and flowing of the water over the bridges, ultimately endanger the bridge itself. It leads to the failure of the bridges. Another important application is the design of wastewater transportation system. The failure of this wastewater transportation system is vital as it causes many health issues and other menaces. Proper design and utmost care is taken in the design of wastewater channels as the low velocity in the channel will allow the settlement of suspended matter, which is reducing the carrying capacity of this channel and aggravate the whole situation. Overall, the study of open channel hydraulics provide engineers and water sources professionals with the necessary tools to understand and manage water flow of natural and engineered systems and ensuring a safe and sustainable utilization of water sources. All the video classes related to open channel hydraulics are arranged to support UG and PG students and practicing engineers. Many practical aspects in the design are also discussed in such a way that they bridge the gap between theory and practice. Now, the session comes to an end. For the time being, it is enough. Thank you. Your Sumammiss.